Once upon a time, in a magical forest filled with glowing flowers, there stood a beautiful clockwork house. Its golden gears turned softly. Inside lived a happy ant family. Mother cooked, the children laughed, and little Timmy always ran into father's arms. But one quiet afternoon, while Timmy checked the great clock, a single golden gear cracked and fell. The clock stopped. Timmy held the broken gear with tears in his eyes. The family knew they could no longer stay. With heavy hearts, they packed their bags and left the only home they had ever known. Suddenly, the sky grew dark. Rain poured down. The family hurried through the wet woods and found shelter in a small wooden cabin under the giant trees. Safe inside, Mother lit a lantern. The children sat close together while the rain tapped gently on the windows. When the rain finally stopped, a bright rainbow stretched across the sky. The family stepped outside, smiling once more, and continued their journey. From the top of a green hill, they saw something wonderful, a charming village of acorn and mushroom houses glowing in the golden light. They walked through the busy streets, past friendly shops and smiling neighbors, until they found a special clockmaker's workshop. An old, wise clockmaker examined the broken gear.
Sewing to got cog, thank you left to fing, tiny talk.
That night, the village celebrated with lights, music, and a magical carnival. The family shared a happy meal together under the glowing lanterns. Under the full moon, they made their way back home. Fireflies danced around them as the clockwork house came into view once more. Carefully, the special gear was placed back into the great clock. The golden wheels began to turn again. The blue light shone brighter than ever. The house filled with warm light and laughter. Outside, all the ants of the forest gathered to celebrate. And as the stars came out, Timmy and his father sat quietly on the steps, smiling at the glowing clock that once again kept perfect time in their magical home.